if you think about advertising, if you're responsible for advertising, this is something you probably can relate to, is advertising is messy when you have to manage it yourself, when you have to do it manually, when you have to figure out where you're going to spend your money, and are you seeing that return on your investment? Is that spend getting wasted? We found that 40% of companies actually said that their spend is wasted. So programmatic streamlines all the advertising. You're using a provider, you're using technology to manage all of the advertising. You're targeting the right talent. You're able to think about the spend and manage that spend, and able to see ROI in a very short period of time. If you think about the recruiter experience that we talked about earlier, this really saves recruiters tons of time. It provides the expertise that a lot of recruiting teams don't have internally. And again, you're able to see those results. You're able to understand what you're doing. You're taking something that's very messy and you're putting structure around it. And you're able to manage that in a much more effective way. So it's an area that's used often in business and marketing. Most marketing functions do programmatic advertising, but we're seeing this now within talent acquisition taking off in a very big way. We found that companies that are using programmatic are either increasing their spend on programmatic or they're continuing to invest the same. So once they start using it, they don't go back. And it's certainly been an area where, as more education in the market comes out about programmatic, we're seeing more companies really starting to embrace it.